Hey, what's going on guys, Gabriel here. In today's video, I'll be giving you a review of the Ventus X RGB gaming mouse from TT Sports. So without further ado, let's get started. Inside the box, we have the mouse itself and the usual documents, the quick installation guide, warranty policy, and 2 stickers from TT Sports. The top of the mouse has a honeycomb design, and underneath we can see TT Sports logo, which lights up along with the scroll wheel. The logo and the scroll wheel are actually 2 individual LED zones, meaning that you can customize them as you want. The top of the mouse is made out of plastic material that's not too hard but also not too rubbery either, which feels just right for you when you've been using the mouse for a long period of time. On the sides, there are 2 rubber grips that provide more control over your mouse. Both of the grips are texturized, making them more comfortable to use. The left side has 2 programmable buttons. On the top of the mouse, you can find the scroll wheel, profile adjustment button, and the left and right buttons, which by the way have Omron switches. Now let's take a look at the main specs. It has an optical Pixar PMW3360 sensor, 12,000 dpi, 256 KB onboard memory, 16.8 million color RGB illumination, and a 1.8 meter cable with a gold-plated USB connector. Now, if you think the weight of the mouse might affect your gaming performance, the Ventus X RGB is perfect for you. It comes with an adjustable weight system that allows you to add weight to your mouse. Without any weight added, the mouse weighs a total of 107 grams. If you want to add more weight, you have the option to add up to 3 removable 4.5 grain weights. So whether you prefer your mouse light or heavy, it's completely up to you. As for the software, you can use TT Sports gaming software to adjust the DPI, lining effects, button reassignments, and customize the lining for the logo and the scroll wheel independently. Overall, this is definitely one of the best gaming mouse TT Sports has ever released. The sensor is really impressive, and I personally like the fact that TT Sports leaves room for change. You can adjust the logo and scroll wheel effects and also decide the weight of the mouse. However, something I should point out is that the design of the mouse is on the wider side. If you're not a fan of mice that look and feel bigger, you might want to take that into consideration when you're thinking about buying this mouse. Now, if you have relatively large hands, this mouse would actually be a perfect fit for you and would feel great in your hand. So that's it for today's video guys. Let us know what you think about the Ventus X RGB gaming in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and smash that notification bell so that way you won't miss any of our future videos and content. If you want to support the channel, you can check out our Patreon page in the description below, where you can get access to exclusive media and more. This is Gabriel, and I'll see you around.